Today we're going to tell you about binomial distribution.
Basically, it is working out the chances of getting success and failures.
First example of binomial distribution is heads or tails on a fair coin.
We have two variables with an equal chance of getting either heads or tails.
We assign either of these values to heads or tails. In this example, heads is success and tails is failure.
So we have half a chance of getting heads and half a chance of getting tails.
We write out the successes and failures like this.
We usually write them out as P and Q, P being a success and Q being a failure.
So it's either a P or a Q, meaning we have half a chance of getting either, as our success is half because it is heads, and a fail chance is half because it's tails, as it is a fair coin.
But if we increase the amount of flips to 3, then we get a different result.
We can represent the result and figure out the probabilities with a tree diagram.
Though the binomial result will look like this. Condensed to that.
Results that can get in any order.
We have 3 heads in a row.
2 heads then a tails, heads then a tails, or tails and 2 heads.
2 tails then a head, tails then a head, then tails or heads and 2 tails.
And finally 3 tails in a row.
Finally, we can work out the probability of this.
So what we do is we get a calculator. Then we times the given fractions, such as p becomes 1 half times 1 half times 1 half, and 3p becomes 1 half times 1 half times 1 half times 3, and so on and so forth for the others. So basically the result we get for having 3 1/2, which is pqqq, we get is 3/8, rather than the 1/8 which we get for p. Here's the Pascal's triangle that shows the different amounts we can get with certain binomial results. Of course, it expands on a lot more than this. This only goes on to with 4 different results.
Unfortunately, this only works with a Boolean value, basically either true or false.
However, it can apply to any situation of probability that is either true or false, such as a dice roll, with if you select one number and you use 1 in 6.
So in its simplest form, that is binomial distribution.